यही कहना चाहूंगी कि परिंदे हौसला कायम उड़ान में रखना, परिंदे हौसला कायम उड़ान में रखना, हर एक निगाह तुझी पर है ध्यान में रखना, बुलंदियां तेरी हिम्मत को आजमाएंगी, परों में जान नजर आसमान में रखना। एक बार फिर से बहुत बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। पहले कंटेस्टेंट को मैं आमंत्रित कर रही हूं, सिकंदर जलादी फ्रॉम विजयवाड़ा, आंध्र प्रदेश।
हेलो, मैं उस जगह पर खड़ा हूं जहां गांधी, अंबेडकर, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जैसे महान लोग खड़े थे। मैं उस जगह पर खड़ा हूं जिस इमारत को हम पर दूसरे द्वारा फेंके गए पत्थरों से बनाए गए थे। और मैं ऐसी जगह पर खड़ा हूं कि हमारी धरती मां सोच सकती है ये खड़े होने के लिए सबसे अच्छी जगह है। Greetings everyone. This is Sikandar Jaladi representing the state of Andhra Pradesh, and today I am going to talk about patriotism and nation building. Patriotism is not just a mere sentiment or an emotional feeling. It's a passion. It's a passion to love and respect. Patriotism is usually coupled with nation building. As a child, I am always inspired with the national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. I am always fascinated to be a part of such a great civilization, such a fabulous geography, and such an incredible history. I am from a nation where we have different cultures, different traditions, and different castes and different languages, but we all sustain, survive, and stay at a single place, thrive as an incredible, independent, developing India. I would like to tell that India has a unique history. It is incredible in many ways. About talking patriotism, I would like to mention about the great freedom fighters and also the great soldiers that they have sacrificed their lives for our nation. They always had their indeed pleasure and they give utmost 100% to save our country. Right from the Kargil war to today's and the before recent terrorist attacks, I would like to also emphasize on our fundamental duties and our fundamental rights. We all have a duty and we all have a responsibility to save our nation and to build a nation. We should focus on increasing our GDP. We should focus on many aspects like paying taxes on time. And also we should importantly note that we should have and we should give oath to everyone. I mean from 18 years of age. Being a youth parliamentarian and the youngest youth parliamentarian, I would like to say that India is such a country, such a diverse country, and have such an incredible idea and such an incredible youth before 25 years of age, and they can do millions and millions and millions, and they can graduate millions. Now, I would like to mention something and my dream of the future India. मुझे उम्मीद है कि एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि एक माँ अपने छोटे बच्चों को आसमान में नहीं बल्कि भारत देश की युवाओं में तारों दिखाएगी। मुझे उम्मीद है कि एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि हमारे भारत देश का झंडा फहराएगा हवा की वजह से नहीं बल्कि भारत देश की युवाओं की देखने के उत्साह के कारण से। मुझे उम्मीद है कि एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि हमारा भारत देश की झंडा हवा में फहराएगा हवा की वजह से नहीं बल्कि भारत देश की युवाओं की देखने के उत्साह के कारण से। The world is looking at you. The world is counting on you. And India is looking at you, how you build the next generation and how you make this 25 years of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Thank you one and all for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Maa Bharati.
थैंक यू सिकंदर। और अब हम